Hi everyone, it's me Jennifer, and I got some happy mail, and I can't wait to show you. Let me pull it out. Oh, I can't wait to show you. So, I got some yarn from the Paw Ply Guys. So, first thing I got is an Oslo painting. Isn't that great? I love that. That's fantastic. I love that. I'm actually gonna hang that on my wall. And the second thing I got is I got these yarns from him. Now this is not available in his shop. He dyed this in remembrance of Sharon's Crochet Corner, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So they are on two different bases, and here they are. This is on sparkle, you can see the sparkles, and this is on regular, and they are both fingering weight. And how gorgeous are these? It is called Remember Me, and they are absolutely stunning. So let's take a look at the first set, and look at these. It is more of a purple than a pink. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It all fades into one another, and they are beautiful. And it is called Remember Me. It is on a fingering base, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. It is 425 meters or 100 grams, and it is a fingering weight. And there's the details. And that 425 meters is close to 460 yards. And there it is. But look at the purples in this. And they are, it's more purple than pink, just so you know. And it is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love these. Oh my gosh, I love these. I am going to make a wrap, and they are beautiful. So there's one set, and we will take a look at the next set. Let me make sure I didn't. Oh, as you can see, Pusheen wanted to come and see the yarn too. And here is the sparkle set. See, we can see some of the sparkles in there. They're sparkling. And these are super, super soft. And here they are. And you read the details. It is 75% superwash merino, and 20% nylon, and 5% silver stellina. And these are 400 meters or 440 yards, 100 grams, and this is a fingering weight as well. And they are dyed the exact same colors as the other ones, but when you go on different bases, it kind of makes the colors look a little different. But believe me, it's not a pink, it is more of a purple. But on my camera, it's looking really pinky, but it's not. And boy, are these stunning. So I have enough to make two different wraps. And how beautiful. Look at that. Pusheen already got hair on the yarn. Oh my. But these are absolutely stunning. I really, really love these. They are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And I am going to link Daniel's shop down in the description box. And they are gorgeous. So thank you so much, Daniel. I absolutely love these. They are gorgeous. They are beyond words stunning. I love those. So if you haven't gotten any yarn from Paw Ply Yarns, you need to go and get some. It's gorgeous. It's stunning. It's beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.